Lady with her hand in the air.
And you get somebody explaining everything
Oh,
over
please.
and over again. And then I had a really nice meal.
And everything comes with a jus or a froth.
A jus or a coulis.
A cappuccino.
Yeah, some sort of foam on it.
Coulis. Are you allowed to say that?
I just did, and then so did you. But then somebody will tell you why they've picked the wine that goes with that, and you just kind of think, just pour the wine
and go away.
Just go
just
away.
Leave us alone. Oh, I'll pour the wine myself, just to make sure that it doesn't run out.
Hey, we should definitely go out for a meal sometime.
Never
we sound exactly
never
the
is
same.
going to happen. Not now, not ever, never. Unless you're paying, in which case I'll see you at 7.
We could always do a runner.
You can
Which we don't condone.
No.
On LBC.
But if you run out of money and you're really
under
desperate,
no circumstances,
then you should do a runner, and that is the official position
of Nick Abbott.